If you like to use you want to connect some Bluetooth headphones or speakers or some game controllers to your iPhone, or maybe a keyboard, the wireless keyboards you like to connect to your iPhone, you need to turn your Bluetooth on. You need to turn your Bluetooth on. So in this video, I'll show you how you can turn on your Bluetooth on your iPhone. So what you need to do is to go to settings and then scroll, and then here you'll see Bluetooth. Select Bluetooth and just tap on this button and you turned your Bluetooth on. If you also, there's a shortcut, you just need to go to Control Center, and here we have Bluetooth as well, which is this one here. Okay, you just need to expand this. You actually don't even have to expand this. By the way, you can expand this by just holding it for a few seconds and just tap on this and your Bluetooth connection enabled. So that's how you turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.